Your home's plumbing system works tirelessly behind the scenes. Performing a simple inspection yourself a few times a year is one of the best ways to catch small issues before they turn into costly emergencies. This guide will walk you through a quick health checkup for your home's plumbing. Start in the kitchen, a hub of plumbing activity. Check under the sink for any signs of moisture. Look for slow drips from the water supply lines or the P-trap. Check around the base of the garbage disposal and dishwasher for any water stains on the floor or in the cabinet. A musty smell under the sink is a major red flag for a slow leak. In the bathrooms, check toilets for any signs of water around the base, which can indicate a failing seal. A great trick to find a silent leak is to put a few drops of food coloring in the tank. Wait about 20 minutes without flushing. If any color appears in the bowl, the flapper is leaking. Also, check under the sinks for drips and test all drains to ensure they are flowing freely. Your utility and laundry areas contain some of the highest risk items. Carefully inspect the washing machine supply hoses. If they are bulging, cracked, or more than 5 years old, they are due for replacement. Next, look at your water heater. Check for any signs of dripping from the valves or fittings and look for any rust or moisture at the very bottom of the tank. To check for hidden leaks anywhere in your system, use your water meter. First, make sure no water is running inside or outside your home. Locate your meter and check the reading or the position of the low flow indicator. Wait for 1 hour without using any water, then check the meter again. If the reading has changed, you have a leak somewhere on your property. This DIY inspection is a powerful first step in protecting your home. Spotting a slow drain, a minor leak, or a corroded pipe early can save you from major water damage down the road. While the inspection is straightforward, most repairs require the skill and tools of a professional to ensure they are done safely and correctly. A healthy plumbing system provides peace of mind. If your inspection has uncovered any issues, or if you'd like a comprehensive professional assessment, trust the licensed experts. For reliable repairs and expert service, contact the team at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or call today.